Hi, my name is Ben Larson. I want to welcome you to my channel, Analytics for All. I created this channel in a hopes to democratize analytics for everyone. I wanted to unravel the mystery behind big data and analytics. This channel is not just for your data scientists and your computer scientists of the world. This is for your business users, for your teachers, for your small business owners, anyone who has data they need to try to drive decisions with. I want you to check out my channel. I've got lots of videos and everything from Excel to Python to R to machine learning to probability and statistics, all the way anything I'd like to discuss. I'm always open for suggestions. If you have any idea, something you'd like me to work on, I just made a couple of videos the other day based on a request. I also have an accompanying website, analyticsforall.org. I'll put a link down in the description here. And on here, you can see I have information on analytics. I have some free courses. Right now, I have a course on Python I'm working on. I have Excel, different languages, SQL, Python, R, machine learning, math, modeling. And if you go to each one, you'll see I've got different things you can go on. Everything from simple linear regression all the way up to things like naive Bayes and decision trees and stuff like that. And I try to keep this simple language. I don't go too deep in the math. You do not need a PhD in mathematics to understand what's going on here. That's not the purpose of this channel or the purpose of my. Again, I want this channel to be an area to discuss analytics. So subscribe to it, leave me comments. Let me know anything you'd like me to work on. If you want me to make a video for you, if you're confused, you got a problem, go ahead, share it with me. Let's see what we can do. Maybe we can show you a way to use data and analytics to solve your problems. Again, this is Ben Larson at Analytics for All. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.